Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into Chapter 7 of the Certified Personal Training Exam. This chapter is focused on resting assessments and anthropometric measurements. This video will cover several key assessments, including resting vital signs, body composition, muscular fitness, and cardiorespiratory fitness. Resting assessments specifically include measuring resting heart rate, blood pressure, and body composition. You can measure resting heart rate at the radial artery on the wrist thumb side or the carotid artery in the neck using light pressure only. Be careful when pressing the carotid artery, as too much pressure can cause a vasovagal response, which can slow the heart rate. A normal resting heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute, or BPM. Below 60 is bradycardia, and above 100 is tachycardia. The average heart rate for men is 60 to 70 BPM, and for women is 72 to 80 BPM. Various factors affect heart rate, including fitness level, stress, caffeine intake, medications, and body composition. Blood pressure is the force of blood against artery walls. It is commonly written as 120/80. Blood pressure involves two numbers: systolic, the top number, which is the pressure when the heart contracts, and diastolic, the bottom number, which is the pressure when the heart relaxes. Normal blood pressure is less than 120 over less than 80. Elevated blood pressure is 120 to 129 over less than 80. Stage 1 hypertension is 130 to 139 or 80 to 89. Stage 2 hypertension is 140 plus or 90 plus. Higher blood pressure increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. Every 20 millimeters of mercury increase in systolic blood pressure doubles cardiovascular risk. Key terms related to blood pressure include myocardial infarction, which is a heart attack, and stroke, which is blocked blood flow to the brain. Body composition is the ratio of fat mass versus lean mass. Lean mass includes muscle, bone, and organs. It is metabolically active, meaning it burns calories. Body fat is necessary for hormones, insulation, and organ protection. Essential body fat is 2 to 5% for men and 10 to 13% for women. There are two types of fat: subcutaneous, which is under the skin, and visceral, which is around organs and is considered more dangerous. Visceral fat equals a higher disease risk. One method for assessing body composition is the waist-to-hip ratio, or WHR, calculated by dividing the waist measurement by the hip measurement. Body types are categorized as android, or apple shape, where fat is stored in the stomach, or gynoid, or pear shape, where fat is stored in the hips and thighs. The android body type, which stores more visceral fat, is linked to a higher risk of conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. Another common measurement for body composition is the body mass index, or BMI, which uses the formula weight divided by height squared times 703.